Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to find Coinbase account transfer limit. So here's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can easily find your Coinbase account transfer limit. So to do that, you have to open the Coinbase app or go to the Coinbase website, then log in into your account, very important. Then tap your profile icon or go to the settings, then select limit and feature, sometimes found under the account settings. You will see different sections showing your deposit, withdrawal, and purchase limit. Tap any category to view detailed limit for bank transfer, cards, and crypto transfer. You can also check if your limit can be increased by completing identity verification or adding new payment method. And that's how you can easily find the Coinbase account transfer limit. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.